Hi guys, Piotr here, LiteFinance Global YouTube channel, and as you've seen during the intro, we are going to discuss coin of the month. And today, XEN. What is all about? Why XEN is so crazy within the April? Why everyone is talking about the XEN? And well, I'm not going to go into details about the project, but I'm going to provide you the sources you can use to get more information. But first thing first, what is all about? So thanks to the CoinGecko, we know that the XEN is a social mining project based on POP. What is POP? POP is a proof of participation. Okay, that's very important, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more later on. Any crypto user can connect compatible Web3 wallets and mint XEN tokens on Ethereum, and not only, I'm going to show you within the second other chains as well. The XEN tokenomics is based on the number of users and the minting period. As the number of participants increases, the minting difficulty also increases and supply reduces. All right, so that's the key thing when it comes to the XEN. Well, probably you have noticed lately, especially in April, the skyrocketing gas prices when it comes to the Ethereum transactions. And to be honest with you, XEN has been a regular presence in the top 5 gas guzzlers on Ethereum. And well, that's also significant thing, and I'm going to tell you in a second why, right? So anyone can mint XEN on Ethereum just by paying the gas fees and choosing a set waiting period. But as I mentioned, it's not only going to be on Ethereum. Who founded XEN? That's a very important thing, and also I'm going to share with you a few two important Twitter accounts, okay? So let's start. XEN is joint venture mining project initially launched on Ethereum network. It was created by the Fair Crypto Foundation, backed by Jack Levin, probably one of the first Google employees, and well, is one of the first Google engineer, and well, he decided to go his own way. And the most important thing when it comes to the XEN, before we will go further, the idea behind the XEN, which Jack Levin calls the people's token, is based on the principles like self-custody, trustless, consensus, and decentralization. Sounds familiar? Well, Satoshi white paper going on. All right, so let's switch to the XEN network website, xen.network. And as you can see on the right side, here we go. It's not only Ethereum, it's also Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum Proof of Work, Moonbeam, Evmos, Phantom Dog Chain, and OKX Chain. Also, Pulse Chain Testnet and X1 DevNet. What X1 DevNet means? Well, we are minting XEN right now, but the near future, most probably we are going to witness the new layer 1, X1, and by the proof of participation, by minting XEN, one of the things you are going to get by burning XEN is going to be X1 token in the future. Now, at the very beginning, with the very huge supply, no one was really believed in the XEN. The price been constantly falling until we've seen quite few projects related to the XEN with the very big burning mechanism. And what has happened in April? Suddenly, with very big supply, for a while, XEN been deflationary. We are going to switch into that in a second. So before we will go through the XEN related project, as I mentioned, I'm going to share with you some YouTube and Twitter accounts you may want to follow to get a little bit more, or if you wish, deep knowledge when it comes to the XEN. The first one let's start with the YouTube is a crypto bro, the guy talking about the XEN, trying to deep dive, discussing all the projects XEN related. All right, the next one is Crypto Kindness. Well, very often having the interviews with the Jack Levin, also talking XEN, trying to deep dive, and the Crypto Profeta. So these 3 YouTube accounts, if you are going to check, I'm pretty sure you are going to find very useful information. When it comes to the Twitter, of course, the official Jack Levin Twitter account, as you can see, first Google backend architect, founder, Image Shack, Imagizer, and Fair Crypto Foundation. All right, so that's key here when it comes to the XEN project, and of course official XEN Twitter account. All right, so why lately we've seen some kind of the deflationary signs when it comes to the XEN when the inflation is so huge, right? Very first thing is that when we are minting, we are choosing the time we are waiting. The longer we wait, the more XEN we are going to get. Those who are decided to wait shorter, they are getting the less XEN, but that's why we already have XEN on the market. We are going to check the charts within the second. So the first project is a DBXEN, community-built crypto protocol contributing to the XEN deflation. That's what we have here. Once you are going to connect your wallet, you may start to burn your XEN, and if you are going to do that on Ethereum, then you are going to earn Ethereum. If you are going to use the DBXEN on Binance Smart Chain, you are going to burn XEN on Binance Smart Chain, then you are going to earn BNB. And if you are going to do that on Polygon, of course, you are going to earn Matic, etc., etc. What is important when it comes to the XEN overall, as I mentioned, is available on many different chains. What is important when it comes to the XEN overall is they did it a little bit different. Instead of creating XEN on the one chain, they decided to be available on every chain. So it's not come to us, but rather we are coming to you. Please try us and check us, right? So the DBXEN was the first when the project making the XEN skyrocketing when it comes to the price more during the chart session. Now, the next upcoming projects is going to be the Phoenix, all right? When you can empower your crypto, earn while you hold Phoenix. So again, next project where you have to burn your XEN to get Phoenix. There is no pre-mint, no VCs, nothing like this, right? Just proof of participation. And of course, in the future, when the X1 is going to be launched, there are going to be the fair X1 distribution and proof of participation, POP. So whenever you burned your XEN in the meantime, of course, first, before you are going to make any kind of the burn, do your own research and homework as usual. But that's how you can get then X1. And of course, Phoenix is going to debut on the Polygon, and well, expectations are quite high. And the next one, upcoming project, is a first meme coin, fair, capped supply, immutable, no pre-mint, nothing like this, XEN Doge. And here the expectations are also very, very high, especially if we are going to take into the consideration how some meme coins are behaving. I really expect a very nice action here. And overall, those 3 projects available very, very soon. DBX is already available, but Phoenix and XEN Doge, the expectations are there might not be enough XEN yet to fulfill everyone's appetite. That's gonna be very interesting. And finally, we are going to check few charts. So the editor, please show us the charts. Thank you, editor. So we have a XEN chart based on the Ethereum blockchain. And well, maybe it does not look fantastic as of now, right? But guys, that was the long time bottom creation, all right? If we are going to make it that way, it's almost from nothing, from zero to be hero within the less than a month, all right? So with the 6 zeros, dot 6 zeros, 1000 up to 4 zeros or only, all right? Pretty nice upward move. And if we are trying to make any kind of the technical analysis, I'm not in favor to do the technical analysis based on this project, but as of now, what we are trying to hold currently, right, is the pre-breakout level. And to be honest with you, I do expect, taking into the consideration that during the latest move to the downside, the supply is getting lower and lower, taking into the consideration that might not be enough XEN yet on the market, I do expect that we are going to see attack on the most recent high, and there is a possibility that we are going to try to take out this high. We might target those two upper shadows based on the daily chart. In that case, we are talking about the dot 4 zeros and 20,000, all right? So that's how I see the things. I'm using the deck screener to present the chart for you. There is also XEN on the Polygon, all right? And because of the preparation for the Phoenix, we've seen this pullback, and we are trying to consolidate the current market price. And I do expect with the good Phoenix start that we might revisit XEN high on the Polygon, again retesting the most recent high. The same thing I do expect when it comes to the Avalanche and Binance Smart Chain. Earlier I mentioned about the DB XEN, and that's the chart within the first few days, right after the start, from $3-5 up to 100. Nice bull run. As of now, because the preparation for more projects, we've seen currently the pullback, and that's from where we've seen the upside break. There we go, levels close to 30. That's what I think market is going to try to hold. Well, during one of the interview, Jack Levin said that there is a huge possibility that by burning DBXN in the near future, ahead of the X1 launch, the burners are going to get X1 token. So I don't think we are going to see much lower levels, but again, please do your own research and do your own homework as usual. The last tool, very good one, I would like to show you where you can get all the informations about the XEN and the project based on the XEN, based on the dashboard you see here, are available on xen.pub, P-U-B. So with that being said, guys, do your own homework, do your own research before risking your hard-earned money. Wish you great next trading session, and let's have a look how the XEN is going to look like in the near future. Take care and goodbye.